Look, First Lady don't want to get up now. Today is, you know, February 2/1, and you know what that is already. Today is actually First Lady birthday. It's what time is it now? What time is now in Dubai, madam? It's 8:32. Look at her. She don't want to get up out of bed. She know we got to go on a long day today.
It's sleepy time.
Come on, get up out of bed, birthday lady.
I'm tired.
Come on, madam. It's time to get up. Let's go. We got appointments. All right, family. It's a nice, beautiful morning. Oh, look at it. Hey, you don't see me in the mirror. Almost see me in the mirror, right? You almost caught me. Yeah. And now, family, look. Good, beautiful, sunny morning. Nice outside, you know? Okay. Come on, First Lady. Time to get up. Come on. It's already late. All right, family. Catch y'all later. Where we going at today? Family, we're gonna try to go to the mall today. Look at the birthday lady. Oh, looking scrumptious. Look at that. Looking all beautiful. Happy birthday.
Thank you, baby love.
All right. Hey.
All right. Another walking, guys. We don't have to walk, but we like to walk.
Oh, it's not far, yeah.
It's not far, and you get to see people. You know? So.
Family, the amount of walking we did, man, it's crazy. Did a lot of walking.
But it's fun.
Yeah.
Find food, find malls, find hidden gems. If we didn't walk, we wouldn't find that Indian restaurant last night.
Delicious.
So good.
Yes. So if you're coming to Dubai, holla at us. We give you the good spots.
Whatcha?
Oh yeah. My city. It's my city right now, you know?
Family, so we're here in the biggest mall in the world. It's in Dubai. Of course, it's in Dubai. So we're just walking and chilling.
Do not pick up anything. Okay?
What?
Do not pick up anything. Family,
He
we
says that all the time and I still pick up
We
stuff.
outside, family. Do not pick up anything, okay? All right.
Yeah, we're just chilling today. Today's a chill day. We're not that busy today. We're kind of busy, but not that busy.
Yeah.
So.
We're not.
So what we'll do is, if we're in a store that is really nice, where it's not in something that's not in Florida, we'll definitely let you know. All right? This is how big it is. Oh, it has 3 floors. It has 3 floors, family. 3 floors, and everything is in here. Prada, Dior, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, H&M, Burberry. Anything you can think of is in this mall. Anything. Levi's, you understand? Just a big, 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 big mall. Look at this, family. Inside the mall, there is a skating ring, an ice skating ring. And you can ice skate on. Just sitting here in the middle of the mall. Just because. Because it's Dubai. You see, look at that. They have stadium seats, you can sit. This is crazy. Come on, America, y'all gotta step up. Look at that. Like this never ends, huh? Guys, this is the biggest aquarium in the world. Indoor aquarium. That's like in a mall. Let's say that. Look at that. Look at that stingray. You guys see him? Or her? Ooh, another one. Honey, you wanna go get our fishing line? How much people is down there recording? Guys, this mall has 4 floors. Okay? 4 floors. And every section there's a store. Okay? Now I have to sneak and record, so I can't show you much because they're very strict here. And I'm in Dubai and I don't want to go to jail. So I'm sneaking to record this for you guys. There you go.
Lady. Now we going out to First Lady birthday night. Look at First Lady. Let me see your outfit of the day. Well, let me zoom in a little bit. Hold on. I gotta get it right. Look at that. Wow. Shanice Minaj in the building. Press the elevator. Look. Get my First Lady right here on her birthday night. So we going to dinner, family. Check it out, check it out. Check it out. Always. You get up close up, look at it. You got anything to say to family member? How was your trip so far? Look at the camera and tell family member how you, oh look at, woo. My gosh, Janice Minaj / Halle Berry.
I had a great time.
Oh, wow.
Fabulous time.
Wow.
I was just being bad.
Just being bad. How you doing? My birthday right here. All right, thank you. Get the birthday lady right here. All right. Thank you, brother. This is nice.
Thank you.
I know they got, we love Dubai.
This is amazing.
You feel warm?
Yeah, I feel warm.
Okay.
Do you see the view?
I know, it's a view. You know I'm not good at the recording, but
You're doing good.
family, I'm gonna try. Look at it, it's beautiful out here.
It is
you know?
beautiful.
Just whenever you're coming to Dubai, just holler at us, you know? You know it's my city.
Oh.
But it's beautiful out here, family. Look at this. So many views. But look, it's the view from Tom. This is nice. And look at the view. Hold on, don't worry. Look out of here. I don't know if y'all can see. I gotta hold this camera. Let me zoom in a little bit. Look at everything on here. Yeah, it's like they got like 6 restaurants here. This is where everybody come, like when they go to a restaurant, they come here. Like different restaurants. But it's beautiful on there for me. Look, they even have it on the beach. Look at First Lady. Talk to me, First Lady.
This is duck. Duck. And then right here is the pancake.
Yeah.
And then you have the veggie.
Right, let me see the veggie. I can't see it.
Oh,
See the
you
veggie?
can
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So you take the pancake,
Yeah.
put the duck, and the veggie, and you roll it.
And you roll it.
Yes.
Then, look who we got here. The boss. But yeah, also the view. You know? Well, we're back to this. This is what we're doing right here. We're consuming this.
Family,
Roll it again. Roll it again.
family, we're gone.
All right, family, we're gonna eat now. We showed you too much, okay? We're gonna eat now, okay?
I'm too nosy.
All right. What boss said? What you
Come
said?
on, Dubai.
All right, come to Dubai.
I'm too jealous.
All right. Yo, go on, best of the people that buy yours. Right now, this is the last of it. Look at the birthday lady again.
This is
Show them what we got over here.
vegetable fried rice, sweet and sour chicken,
Yes.
and seafood rice.
Seafood rice.
And then you have some sweet and sour sauce on the side.
And some sweet, we got sweet and sour sauce on the side right here. And then we're just gonna dig in, family. We're just gonna enjoy right now, you know. And we catch y'all back later, all right? If
On the
anything.
flip side.
On the flip side, okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Lunchtime, aka dinner date. First lady, aka birthday.
And got my food.
All right, eat your food. Let me see you. Take a bite. Go ahead with your chapstick.
Now you make me can't. Y'all embarrassing my. Oh,
Oh no, that's a lot. Ooh. All right. All right, family. We can see our view again one more time. Right? And then we're gonna dig in. This is me. You know? We're gonna dig in. Hey! It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Happy.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.